Time now for JB Retire Wiser. I'm here with Joel Johnson, managing partner at Johnson Brunetti. Now, what are the top 3 things people should do to protect their identity? We're going to speak with Joel about this. I know it's on a lot of people's minds.
It's on a lot of people's minds. There's a lot of problems out there, and they seem to be getting worse about people getting their identity stolen. And so what are some of the things we can do? Number one, first thing you can do, go online and create your own online Social Security account. A lot of Social Security theft happens because people haven't created their own online account. Remember how we still used to get those paper statements and so on? They haven't created that online account, so somebody goes on, creates an online account for you, triggers early Social Security, changes the address, and so on. So create your own online account.
So you can control it.
Exactly.
Okay. So Joel, what about freezing credit reports? When would we want to think about doing that?
Yeah, well, I did that just recently. We had an FBI agent come in and speak to our clients about identity theft, and he said one of the best things you can do is just freeze your credit report. And then if you ever need a credit card or you need to get a car loan, then you just unfreeze it for that day, go get the credit card or car loan, and then freeze it again so nobody can borrow in your name.
Okay, so we also have to talk about just online security and some best practices here. What would you recommend?
Be very careful of what attachments you open. You know, I look at Wendy sometimes. She's subscribed to every informational email from every vendor out there, and some of the stuff is pretty tricky. And you get an attachment and it looks real and it's not, and you open it up and all of a sudden you have a virus. Somebody's poking around in your computer. So be very careful about the attachments that you open when they come through these marketing emails.
Okay, it's a big topic, and you've brought a free book on this topic. Tell us about it.
Yeah, and this was written by the FBI agent that I talked about. The retired FBI agent Jeff Lanza put together this book, and it's about how to protect your identity. Make sure you get a copy of it.
It's free to you. Go to jbretirewiser.com, jbretirewiser.com.